Error code P2181 indicates a cooling system performance problem. This means your engine's coolant temperature isn't reaching or maintaining the expected level. The engine control module detects this when the engine doesn't warm up within a specified time frame. Primary causes include a stuck-open thermostat, the most common reason causing excessive coolant flow. Other primary causes are low coolant levels due to leaks, a faulty coolant temperature sensor, or a clogged radiator. Less frequent causes can be air pockets in the cooling system, a defective water pump, or even glitches in the ECM software. Modern vehicles often use telematics for early detection, with some systems even predicting cooling issues, but P2181 remains common in older models and those with deferred maintenance. To troubleshoot P2181, start with a visual inspection of coolant levels and hoses for leaks. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P2181 code and check for related codes. Test the thermostat. It should start opening around 180 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a multimeter to test sensor resistance and voltage readings. Perform a cooling system pressure test to reveal hidden leaks. If coolant level is fine, bleed the cooling system to remove air pockets using a vacuum pump. If the thermostat is faulty, replace it with a new one. After repairs, clear the code and monitor to ensure it doesn't return. Check for manufacturer software updates. Remember, a faulty thermostat can indicate maintenance neglect. If the issue persists, consult a qualified mechanic.